Dramatic advances in technology over the last few decades have led to tremendous improvements in all aspects of life. But humanity still faces a host of complex challenges: environmental quality, the production of clean energy, water supply, and human health. The solutions to these challenges lie in breakthrough scientific developments and technologies. The Faculty of Mechanical Engineering is working to develop solutions to these challenges, at the forefront of research and technology, and with a constant eye towards the future. This is our mission, to harness science and engineering for the good of humanity.
I head the Microfluidic Technologies Laboratory. One example of our work is in the field of medical diagnostics. Lab on a Chip is a vision that we are part of that aims to take large-scale chemical and biological laboratories and reduce them to the size of a small microfluidic chip, such that a nurse or a doctor in their office would be able to take a sample and get the result right there on the spot. The ability to achieve point-of-care diagnostics is an important enabler towards personalized medicine, which we see as an important part of healthcare in the 21st century.
In our faculty, an interdisciplinary approach is the name of the game, because that's where the future of research lies, connecting experts from different fields of research to create breakthrough outcomes. The faculty's researchers bridge robotics with medicine, translate fundamental physics into optical applications, create advanced materials, and develop smart control systems.
In recent years, photovoltaics became the most cost-effective energy conversion system. What is missing is the ability to store this energy in order to get day and night solution. And this is what we do. We invented a concept that is based on material that absorb the solar radiation and emit low energy photons. We have a unique system that doubles the total efficiency, and by our calculation, the cost of such a device may be 66% of any other technology. And my dream is to be part of this global change.
It's no coincidence that the Faculty of Mechanical Engineering is developing a robot that's activated by the power of thought, a mechanical system that improves heart activity, advanced robots that can overcome physical obstacles, nanoscale parachutes that monitor air pollution, and advanced technologies for smart and energy-efficient buildings.
We have demonstrated mechanical communication, that is the ability of cells to sense and respond to mechanical forces generated by their neighbors. We were able to modify spontaneous beating frequency of cardiac cell using a mechanical cell, that is a device that mimics the deformation that are generated by a beating cardiac cell. The physiological significance of this phenomenon is that while the frequency of cardiac cell beating in the heart is determined by pacemaker cell, mechanical communication is required to synchronize the phase of cardiac cell beating, and therefore is essential for synchronized contraction of the heart.
About 40 faculty members working in 3 research centers and in over 35 laboratories teach and train the next generation of mechanical engineers in a variety of degrees. These include 900 undergraduate students and 400 graduate students, comprising the faculty's most valuable asset.
It's very important nowadays to develop next-generation water technologies that are more available to first and third world countries, and that can do water desalination and treatment at lower cost and selectively. And so we're developing a technology called capacitive deionization, which meets this criteria, and that we hope is going to form the basis of next-generation water treatment and desalination technologies.
Many startups have emerged from the faculty, and they too are committed to providing technical solutions to social, economic, and environmental problems. Companies such as Mazor, which was sold for $1,600,000,000. The company developed a robot that assists with complex back surgeries and saves the lives of many patients around the world.
We at the Faculty of Mechanical Engineering are seeking the best and brightest students. Students who have the scientific curiosity, but also the drive of an engineer to take this understanding and leverage it toward creation of new tools, new capabilities that no one has ever done before.
The Faculty of Mechanical Engineering at the Technion continues to be ahead of its time with groundbreaking research initiatives. We will continue to train our students for diverse, engaging, and fulfilling careers, and to develop future technologies for the benefit of Israeli society and for all of humanity.
Hello and welcome everyone. Today is a very special day for these young, brilliant minds gathered for the 13th Nadav Shoham's Robotraffic competition, taking place both at the Technion Israel Institute of Technology and online. This is a competition where high school students from all over the world will come together to showcase their skills and creativity in designing and building robots that can complete different missions of complex traffic scenarios. The objective of Robotraffic is to promote STEM education, innovation, and teamwork. The competition will require the students to use their knowledge of physics, mathematics, and programming to design and build robots that can move safely and efficiently through a simulated traffic environment. The competition will be divided into various categories, and the robots will be judged on their design, functionality, and overall performance. The students will have to work together as a team, solve problems, and make strategic decisions to achieve success. We are honored to have some of the best and brightest minds here with us today for this remarkable ceremony. I would like to pass the microphone over to our distinguished colleagues and partners.
It is my pleasure and privilege to welcome you to the 2023 Nadav Shoham Robotraffic competition at the Technion Israel Institute of Technology. This competition is already well established in its 13th year. Commenced as a local tournament in Israel and developed into international one with over 100 competing organizations. Over the course of 13 years, we have been able to track the participant enthusiasm and the information they have gained to maturity in university studies and high-tech sector roles. I would like to thank our partners for their contribution to this amazing project: the Faculty of Mechanical Engineering at the Technion, the Leumi Robot Center and Leumi Bank, the International World Art Organization, the Israel Ministry of Education, the World Zionist Organization and the American Zionist Movement, NVIDIA, and the Whitech Foundation, of course. Investing in robotics, as I see it, is essential for those interested in keeping up with the forefront of innovation. I wish you all successful and educating Robotraffic competition. Good luck to you all.
Hi everyone, I'm Dan Green, World Ort's Director General and CEO, and I'm delighted to be able to send my greetings at the start of this year's Robotraffic competition at the Technion. And we at World Ort are so proud to have been partners for this special event for more than a decade, in cooperation with the Technion, with Leumi Robotic Center, led of course by Professor Moshe Shoham and Dr. Evgeny Korchnoi. We're so proud to be a part of this for many years. Our Ort students around the world, whether they have attended in person or online, always see it as a very, very special time in the calendar for them to be able to demonstrate their excellence in technology. And thank you, of course, for everyone for putting on this event in person. It's been too long because of COVID that we've been able to be together. So I wish you all the success in the world. Have a fantastic event, have a fantastic competition. Enjoy being together in the spirit of unity and achdus. And I look forward to seeing you all soon. Thank you.
Hello everyone. My name is Eran Rosenberg, and I am an Inception Partner Manager at NVIDIA. I would like to welcome the Robotraffic community globally and congratulate all the competition participants. Today, you are making a statement to the world and joining the world's effort to create a breakthrough in the robotics industry. With nearly 3 decades of a singular focus, NVIDIA is an expert at accelerating software and scaling compute. Accelerated computing is a full-stack challenge, demands a deep understanding of the problem domain, optimizing across every layer of computing, scaling across multi-GPU and multi-nodes it's a data center scale challenge, and developers and customers want to run the software in many places. This is why we are building platforms from the hardware to the software with a laser focus per industry to bring the easiest tools to develop great products. Developing autonomous machine is a highly complex task, and it's built from the compute system inside the vehicle that is connected to the sensing system that can calculate the perception around it and provide the robot's localization. Upon this basic understanding, the robot needs to run its planning and control system, and taking in consideration other robots by the ability to communicate with them. This flow is being supported by NVIDIA and includes also the ability to create synthetic data to train the different AI models, simulate different scenes, and test the robot's behavior. Run multiple AI models in parallel, and all to be able to mimic the human behavior and beyond. The NVIDIA Jetson platform is the most advanced hardware available to support the robot requirement. NVIDIA Jetson is being used by more than 1 million developers around the globe, from students like yourself to university researchers, startups, and large corporates. It is the foundation of autonomous machines. From delivery robots inspection, drones farming, equipment manufacturing, self-driving vehicles, and many more. In the video, you can see what is autonomous driving by NVIDIA. And you guys see, you have been taking one of the world's most complicated challenges. And for that, I wanted to personally congratulate you and wish you good luck. And most importantly, do not forget to try and enjoy the ride powered by AI. Thank you very much for your patience and collaboration. Enjoy.
Robotraffic is being organized by the Technion, Israel Institute of Technology, a world-renowned academic institution that has been at the forefront of science and technology for over a century. The Technion is known for its cutting-edge research and innovation, and has produced some of the brightest minds in the world of science and technology.
Shalom, my name is Chaya.
And I'm Simon.
Welcome to Technion.
What does it mean to be part of the Technion community?
Being Technion means being part of the engine that drives Israel's entrepreneurial and innovative spirit. It means making our everyday faster, smarter, and better. Now more than ever, we can see the necessity of coming up with creative solutions as we all have experienced the global COVID-19 crisis. Technion has strong values to make the world better, as it's in a country born with little resources. Israel has had to provide creative and resourceful solutions, not just to survive, but to flourish. And Technion was and is an instrumental part of that achievement.
Israel's great success has led it to be named the Startup Nation, the country with the greatest number of startups per capita. Technion's graduates are a major part of the high-tech industry workforce in Israel. Over the past 20 years, Technion graduates have opened more than 1,600 companies, generated more than $30 billion, and created over 100,000 jobs for those in Israel.
Many of the biggest names in technology and innovation have made Israel their home to search for young talent, including companies like Microsoft, Google, and Amazon. Apple has only one other R&D center outside the US, situated in Haifa, Israel, intentionally located near the Technion campus. Technion graduates are significant movers and shakers in the market both in Israel and abroad. This includes developers in Alzheimer's medicine, Amazon executives, predictive data mining, and founders of life-changing technology. Technion graduates are inventors, leaders, and pioneers.
Technion's perusal of knowledge and learning has opened the opportunity for Technion academics to push the limits of their fields. 4 Technion professors and alumni have won Nobel Prizes. As a world-leading university, Technion's global influence has grown with our international connections. This includes 3 campuses worldwide in New York, China, and of course, in Israel.
At Technion, we help students reach their potential. This means providing students with the personal attention necessary to help them explore their full capabilities, including small classes and professor relationships. This means preparing the students for future challenges and global trends.
Robotraffic competition is being held in memory of Nadav Shoham, a former Technion student who was a passionate advocate for STEM education and an avid robotics enthusiast. Nadav's love for robotics inspired him to create a robotics club at his high school, and he spent countless hours mentoring and guiding the young. Nadav's life was tragically cut short, but his legacy lives on through this competition and the students who have been inspired by his passion and dedication. So, as we begin this competition, let us remember the spirit of innovation, creativity, and teamwork that Nadav embodied. Let us honor his memory by working together to create a brighter future for ourselves and for generations to come. Without further ado, let the competition begin. We wish all the participants the very best of luck, and may the best team win.